To connect printer with Google Pixel phone, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the connected devices, click on connection preferences, and then you can go to the printing. When you enter printing, you will need to click on default print service and then activate it right here. Enter pairing mode on your printer. I would strongly recommend to look online how to enter pairing mode on your specific printer model, and when it's in the pairing mode you should see it on the list. Just make sure that you have the same Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection on your phone and on that printer. If this didn't work, you can always go back to the printing right here and add specific service plugin for your printer. In this case, it only shows me this Mopria print service, but you can always use the search function to look for your specific brand plugin and then download it and try to connect your printer using that plugin as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.